Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. So let's go ahead and get started. 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and powder respectively, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup brown sugar. Give it a good stir. 2 teaspoons of imitation vanilla because I'm not made of money. 1 cup chocolate chip. 1 cup peanut butter chips. Mix, mix, mix. 2 eggs. 8 ounces of unsalted butter. Using a spat, mix it all together. Get bored, start using your hands. When it starts giving you too much sass, use both hands. Really show it who's boss. Taste test. Smack it onto some saran wrap. Get another little bite. Wrap it up. Let it chill overnight in the fridge. Alright, we got our dough. Nice and chilled up. Get another taste test because you're an adult, no one can tell you what to do. Now we're going to form it up into 2-ounce balls and place them on a greased baking sheet about 1 inch apart. But don't really worry too much about the spacing of the cookies because even if they all melt together, you still got a giant cookie. And who's really going to complain about that? Alright, I'll throw them in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And there we go. Nice, hot, fresh peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to pour you a glass of milk because I care about you and I want you to enjoy it to its fullest. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!